Welcome to this demonstration of the scripting feature of the TEMS investigation tool, focusing on module to manually controlling the external equipment. Today, we have connected a Samsung S20 phone to TEMS Investigation 2.5.1.3. After successfully connecting the device, we'll explore the various controls available.
Activated. E-Utron attach complete GPS position valid.
In the bottom left corner, you'll find the activity pane. Here, controls are organized in a tree structure: control, IP, messaging, video, and voice. Let's start with control. This section allows us to apply forcing functions to the phone's radio and other modules, like specifying a frequency band. Next, we have the IP tree. This is where we control data connectivity and PS services. For now, let's try something simple, like making a call manually. We'll navigate to the voice tree. Here, you'll find the dial function. Right-clicking it brings up three options: dial, stop, and configuration set. For this demonstration, let's click on configuration set. Here, we can enter the call parameters we need. This configuration set can be saved for future use and will also be useful when we delve into the script writing module in the service control chapter of the training. Now, let's enter the B-Party service number and save it. Great! We've saved our configuration set. Now, let's go back to the voice tree, right-click on dial, and select our saved configuration set to make the call. The call is in progress. It's ringing to the other party. And here, you can see the status of the call. Now, let's try stopping the call. We'll head back to the voice tree, right-click on dial, and select stop. And there you have it. We've successfully controlled the call using TEMS Investigation's manual control feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy exploring!